In today's video, I want to talk a little bit more about using Canva templates to get the most out of them. So Canva is a great way to create the designs quickly and easily. It's a drag and drop type of program. And it has a lot of graphic design functions that you can use, and it also includes a lot of templates as well. So templates are pre-made designs or documents that can be easily customized. And that's one of the things I actually really like about Canva is it has templates for all kinds of different print and digital types of things that you might need graphics for. So templates will normally have colors, font size, and placement of text, images, and things like that. So with the templates, even users with no previous design experience can create attractive graphics and designs. And they're great for beginners or people with little design experience. And even more experienced designers often gain inspiration or use them as a shortcut to create great looking designs. So for example, here is a t-shirt design template from Canva. You could use that as a basis to create your own design. And as I mentioned, Canva has a lot of template types, things like book covers, posters, brochures, and more. So they have things that are more text heavy, things that are more graphic heavy, pretty much anything that you can think of. So to find templates on Canva, you go to canva.com/templates. And you will see here that there's a whole drop-down menu in templates, and then they also have them here as well, categorized into different areas. And so you can use a Canva template to improve your design. So let's say you have this design here, maybe you're doing some type of personalized print-on-demand product or something like that. And this is the template that you might want to use. And as you can see, they are actually, they don't have anything in common in terms of the text or anything like that. But look you could do something like that where you take your text and your graphic and then use it in the template with their font and their layout and create something that looks more interesting and just more unique. So one of the things that you can do with Canva templates that I also like is you can upload your own images. So you go to the Uploads tab once you're in their designer area and click Upload, and you can use sites like Pixabay or Unsplash to find free commercial use images. And don't forget, Canva has tons of free images too if you go to the Elements tab, which is right above here. One of the things I do want to mention though is that if you're just using this for sort of a one and done thing, then using Canva's things are great. They have pretty reasonable licensing. So you do want to take a look at their licensing. It's pretty reasonable for their free elements. I would suggest though sticking with their free elements because their paid elements are more restrictive in terms of their licensing. So feel free to use their free elements and just, refresh or go to the licensing info. They'll usually have that there when you select that. But I would suggest bringing in your own elements or if you want to expand past their free ones instead of using their paid versions. So if you'd like to learn more about how to do Canva publishing, I have a video training course called Easy Canva Publishing that can help you out with that. And it's really great for people who just want to be able to dive into Canva and get the most out of it. And you can see the link below here in the description.